Sant'Agata Bolognese, here in the holy halls of Automobili Lamborghini, dreams are made. Not only top performance and dynamics are what go into the super sports cars from Lamborghini, but also premium class quality. The level of craftsmanship was already very high back in the times of Ferrucio Lamborghini. Today, the craftsmanship at Lamborghini is clearly at the top of the list. We cannot work without quality. That's part of the basic values of the company. It starts with research and development and continues to our selection of suppliers and naturally also in our production. We may also be a car company, but on a small scale we are much more complex than the big car makers. On the other hand, also like in any luxury business like jewelry or fashion, we have a completely different life cycle and, of course, also high investments, and that makes everything much more complex. Of the more than 800 who work at Lamborghini, 60 are in quality control, an unusually high number. Lamborghini customers experience the strict philosophy of quality in the precise construction of the body, in the efficiency and dependability of the technology, as well as in the premium standards of the interior. The craftsmanship for each and every model is based on strict controls and, of course, a high degree of artisanal, almost artistic skills, something that has been passed down from father to son for decades now in Emilia-Romagna, the terra di motori, the land of engines. Following the takeover by Audi AG, the facilities at Sant'Agata Bolognese were modernized from the ground up and set up to develop and produce ultra-modern sports cars to meet the highest quality demands. Today, the Gallardo and the new Aventador model series are manufactured in 2 production areas, each with its own engines and transmissions. Once having completed the production cycle, each Lamborghini gets to know the streets of its homeland. Expert drivers take each car out on a 50 to 70 kilometer stretch, paying attention to even the minutest of abnormalities. The cars are not ready for delivery to customers until they have passed the strict final inspection.